I have been to Caffe Nero and picked up a Too Good To Go bag. It is absolutely overflowing with goodies. Starting at the top over here, it is a sweet and pastry bag, but they said to me, oh, hope you don't mind. There was a wrap as well, so we just popped that in too. So this is the only savory. Chicken, tomato and basil, hot wraps, and we can just heat it up. And we've got a wrap in addition to all the sweets that we got. And I should point out this was £3.99, a really great hefty Too Good To Go bag. So let me see what else I got. So that is the wrap. Let's pop it over there, and I thought I would take out all the little bags one at a time. They're like little presents. Let's see what's the next little gift from Caffe Nero. Ooh, it looks like a little Danish with some apricots. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, I will love all of these. Next little gift. Ooh, cinnamon swirl. So we've got cinnamon swirl, my chicken over there. Let's see what is next. We've got a couple of little boxes like this, but I might save those ones. Oh, another box. Oh, that one's opened, so let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, a couple of little rocky roads. Ooh, a couple of rocky roads over there. Whoa, this is such an incredible haul. All for £3.99. What is that? Looks like banana bread. Yeah, some banana bread. And let's see, we've got another bag and a package. All of this, £3.99. Whoa, this is definitely generous. Let's see what is in this bag. We've got a croissant, a little croissant. And I think there's just one more left in the bag. Feels like quite a full one. Let's just move everything around so we can get the next little box front and center over here. So it's really like a surprise. I love it. You don't know what will be inside. Ooh, they look like little passion fruit cheesecakes. 2 slices of cheesecake. Whoa, what a haul. This is a bit blown away. I've done a lot of Too Good To Go's in my day. If you've followed my channel a while, you'll know that. But all of this for £3.99. So this was bonus extra chicken, tomato and basil wrap. We've got cinnamon scroll. We've got 2 pieces of cheesecake, some banana bread, that little apricot Danish, croissant, and 2 rocky roads. All that for £3.99. Now I should point out also, I have 2 teenage sons, so none of this is going to be wasted. I've got 2 very energetic teenage sons who will make good work of this, and I might sample. Oh, that cheesecake looks absolutely divine, really beautiful. I might sample a couple here and there too, but yeah, what a haul. Caffe Nero. It is the second time I've got Caffe Nero. I got it a while ago, didn't film that time, and it was also really excellent. This one is even better, definitely one of the best ever. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know, have you been to Caffe Nero? Have you done Too Good To Go? What have you found lately? Do you want me to share more Too Good To Go hauls in the future? I've shared loads in the past, which I'll leave in the information cards and down below for you too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.